Hi, what vehicle are you?
Hello, I am a tractor. Farmers use me for farming.
Hello. Who are you?
I am a train. A train driver drives me on tracks. Many people can sit inside me and go to faraway places. I also carry heavy goods from one place to another.
Hello. Who are you?
I am a car. You can drive me and go out for picnics.
Hi. Who are you?
I am a bus. I carry kids to school. You will enjoy traveling inside me as I am very big.
Excuse me. Who are you?
Hi, I am a crane. Construction workers use me to lift heavy objects.
Hello. Who are you?
I am a police car. Many policemen sit inside me and catch thieves. I am a powerful vehicle.
Hello. Who are you?
I am a truck. You can drive me on the road. I carry heavy loads from one place to another.
Hi. Who are you?
I am an ambulance. I carry sick people to the hospital.
Hi. Wait. Who are you?
I am a bicycle. You can ride me in parks and on roads.
Excuse me. Who are you?
I am a fire truck. Many firefighters sit inside me and save people who are trapped in fires.
Who are you?
Hi, I'm a motorbike. You can drive me on the road. 2 people can sit on me.
Hi. Who are you?
I am a yacht. I sail in water. A few people can sit inside me and cover long distances in water.
Excuse me. Who are you?
Hello, I am a rowboat. I sail in water. A few people can sit inside me. Paddles are used to push me forward. Fishermen use me for fishing.
Hi. Who are you?
I am a sailboat. I sail in water, and people use me for sports.
Hello. Who are you?
I am a ship. I sail in water. Many people can sit inside me and cover long distances.
Wow. Who are you?
Hello, I am a submarine. I sail underwater. People cannot see me unless I come up to the water surface.
Hello. What vehicle are you?
I am a helicopter. I fly in the sky. People can travel to far-off places using me.
Hi. What vehicle are you?
I am a glider. I fly in the sky. A pilot flies me, but I cannot cover far distances.
Hi. What vehicle are you?
I am an airplane. I fly in the sky. A pilot flies me and people along with their luggage and that can travel inside me.
Wow! Who are you?
Hello, I am a hot air balloon. I am very colorful and I fly according to the direction of the wind. I am used for rides.